We will also need nuts for fitting onto this bolt, and the diameter of this has been given as 28. So taking that size, we'll have to create the nuts. Let's go ahead and do that. Take new file out. Let's ensure that the units are set in GS. Save the file. Same folder, CrossHead. This one will be saving it as nut. Let's start modeling the nut. Take sketch. Choose top view. Take a circle of diameter 28. Now we have to create a polygon. This number of sides 6, and let's take the center and drag it like this to create. So you can see the size we can change to what we want. So one of the sides we need to make it horizontal. So select this, horizontal, and then length of each edge we should make it same as the diameter. You can see that the whole diagram has become black, which means we can go for feature extrude. Extrude thickness also has to be same as the diameter, or in some cases we get 28 the diameter into 0.8 or 0.75 as it is suitable. So this is our nut. We just need to create chamfers on all the sides. So to create the chamfers, first we'll have to take sketch on this face, and we need to draw a circle with same center as this circle, and it should be tangential to one of the edges. If tangent is not appearing in the first term itself, we will have to press escape, select the circle and this edges, one of the edges, or press the control, and when the tangent option appears here, click on that. So the circle should be black, should be tangential to the edge. After that, we'll have to go for the features, extrude cut, flip the side to cut, and give the draft angle as 60. Click OK. That should create the chamfer. Now the same chamfer we want on the other side of it, so we can either go ahead and create another circle and create extrude cut, or we can use the mirror feature option with this. But if you want to use mirror feature option, the first extrude needs to be done over the middle plane. So instead of line here, we'll have to go for mid plane. That will ensure that our plane, top plane, is going to appear exactly at the center. This top plane we can use for creating a mirror. So go for mirror, the plane, select top view, features to be mirrored, select this chamfer feature over here, and click OK. You can see the chamfer is created on both the sides. Just save it as a file nut and be done with it.